Hello guys, this is my first long video. Please subscribe and thank you so much for 200 subscribers. Okay, now I will teach you how to make some
Happy
potions.
100
So
subscribers.
let's go. We'll take the hand and rock to make platforms. So let me just do third person. So I'll put rock and hand. Oh my god, why is my cat coming? Okay, so if you see the ingredient, it says platforms. So yeah, now you have to mix it and then you get the potion. Wait, let me just disable sharing and this. Yeah, so see, if you just like press both of one trigger, you can go up. Let me show you. These are not sticky platforms, so it doesn't, we always like slip off. Okay, let's go selfie again. Okay, so that is platforms. Let me just do my reset potion. Okay, now the second one is a very like good one. So it's a very fun one. So you take B and magnifying glass. The magnifying glass. So that makes Doug Copter. Oh. See? Well, let me show you. I'll put the camera over here so you can all see. So if you put B magnifying glass and B, maybe you can see the magnifying glass because the cat is there. You have to put magnifying glass and the B in here, and that makes Doug Copter. Can you guys see over there? I think not, but it makes Doug Copter. So Dr. Copter is like my mostly favorite one. Oh my god, I almost fell. Duck Copter is my favorite. So if I drink it, a duck the bug will appear on my butt. And yeah, I'll show you how it works. So you have, if you wanna go up, you have to click your right. If you wanna go up, you have to make your right controller joystick go up, like forward, and then you'll go up. Yeah, it's like that. And then for the left controller, if you want to go left or right, you have to do left or right in the thing. So where is my base? Where is my base? I'll just click that button. Oh, never mind. Okay, so this is my most favorite one. This is the most fun one. Now let me disable third person. Okay, now I drink the reset one. So this one is not really my favorite one, but it's kind of cool. So one, you have to reset. One lightning bolt. You have to use one lightning bolt, and I think hand. I think it was hand. So let me just. No, yeah, that's thruster hands. Thruster hands is also the most fun one. Can you please move? Okay, so this is my most favorite one. Like, you have to go. So if you wanna go back, you have to go like this. Wait, let me just turn on third person. So this is how you do it. You have to go like this for up. So if you wanna go straight, you have to do this. like this, and then hold your triggers. Yeah. So, and if you want to go down, you have to do the opposite way. And if you want to go left or right, you have to go like this. No. Left or right is like this or like that. So, in order to look like this. Yeah. So, this is also like a fun one, but it's really hard to control. This is the most hardest one to control, and yeah. There is an ingredient, like I kind of forgot that one. What is it again? Yeah, it was 4 lightning bolts. Oh my god, why is my game lagging? That's 4, right? Oh my god, I forgot to turn off thrusted hands. So you put this once and that 4 times. Oh my god, why do I still have thrusted hands? And another one, another lightning bolt, and 2 more lightning bolts. And another one. So that's 4 lightning bolts. Now you need 1 magnifying glass. And then you stir. And then you got this. So I'll show you, it's a really fun potion. This is honestly my second best potion. So you just drink it, and then if you just smack, it's like speed boost. Like, it's really fun. I can literally wall climb, so and I literally got out of the map. This is so fun. Yeah, and I came back to normal stump. Oh my god, this is actually like it's easy, but when you wanna like go somewhere like to an exact place, you just like, yeah. Oh my god, okay. See, like I wanna go to that exactly to that thing, and I just go like really far. Like, you can't control how fast you go. Okay, now that's enough. Okay, so now with that we're done with this one, I can show you how to make Lucy. Lucy, you need a ghost and the eyeball. So eyeball, wait, no. So eyeball and the ghost makes Lucy. I don't know if you can see, but yeah. So what basically happens is, when you drink it, Lucy will come and catch you. So let me show you. Third person. See, so Lucy comes from there, and then she tries to come catch you. Oh no! Oh crap! So yeah, let her catch me. Oh my god! Why is my camera there? Okay guys, sorry for that. Like, I'll just review the footage. Okay. So that was Lucy. Now I know this one. It's like swimming in air. Stopper. Yeah. So you need the magnifying glass and the fish. Magnifying glass. So when you make that and you drink it. Oh my god, I'm so sorry guys, this is the wrong ingredient. I don't know if this is correct. Oh yeah guys, I'm so sorry, it was fish and bee. It was fish and bee. I'm so sorry. So you you mix it. And that says air swim. Look, it says air swim. Nah, I'm good. Just leave it there. I'll drink it for the fans later. Yeah. So this is air swim. Let me just. Oh my god, this is actually like. Third person. Yes. And this is how you do it. Like it's like the entire thing is like flooded with water. That's how it looks like. So yeah, that's good. Wait, what is the other potion's name? Yeah, and remember that guy who just left. Okay, why is my bird screaming? Okay, and guys, remember that this dude which left the potion. So I'm gonna drink it now. And guys, I know it's like maybe it's trying to scam me. I know, like you know those videos which you drink them and stop hitting me with your stick. So I'm gonna drink this and turn on third person. Oh, I thought it was when it was. Oh my, yeah, I knew it. I knew it. Okay, that's it for the video. Bye.